shot kind of from the bottom here, closer to the river. See the river running there. What a beautiful place. There's the walk up to the waterfall. You can see the stream there. Really pretty. Very full of trees and vegetation, and very nice walk. Got a concrete path here, and you can see it's really green. It's now a beautiful day out. It was very foggy and raining this morning when we made the summit of Doi Inthanon. Doi meaning mountain, but you can see the stream down there on the way up to the waterfall. Like I said, this is supposed to be the bigger of the two waterfalls that we went to, so we will see. I'll take some more video. So the flow is getting stronger. You can hear the sound of the river. And you can see the waterfall there through the tree, kind of. And as I just said, it's beautiful and sunny. Now it's starting to rain again. Go figure. So there's the start of the waterfall. Be there in a second. So here's the bottom part of the waterfall. You can see. Going up in this direction, so that is Maeya Waterfall. Very cool. Just starting to rain again, like I said. Funny. It was just sunny a few minutes ago. It looks like it's going to break through, but it's so funny. So here I am, basically at the base of the waterfall. The other one was bigger water flow. This one is much taller, going way up into the hills there. You can see the very top up there. Water's coming down. So this one is definitely taller, bigger as far as taller, but not as much water flow and as big a waterfall as the other one, but still pretty cool. So I was just standing over there in the middle of the picture and walked up a little bit further, and now I'm standing on a rock in the middle of the stream. There goes the waterfall there, so beautiful. Very nice. And that is where I'm at. Maeya Waterfall. And you can see it's pretty awesome. Very pretty. So we're crossing a little creek here, and it's very interesting how they've done the bridge. It's like that wicker rattan type material. There's beams underneath, but very soft, and you can hear it creaking. I don't think the strongest would be able to. The biggest of guys would probably want to try that, but very interesting how they did that.